Hello everyone, my name is Agus Rianti. Position on Global Legura participant from Bandung City in Indonesia country. Add funding or profit have on 13 November 2015 amount of $10,583 and today I do withdraw or get help on 23 February 2016 amount of $315. This is my withdrawal from the Extra bonus accrued interest. Thank you to the participant sender Global, and this is unique community founder Mr. Sergey Maforezi. Together we change in the world. Thank you.